Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending this session on Learn How to Become a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, MLSA. Yes. I am Mohammed Jumail, a beta MLSA, and I will be your host today. The webinar will guide you around the advantages, application process, and milestone of becoming MLSA. Today, I will discuss the main learning objectives. These are the main objectives of this session. First, what is the MLSA? Benefits of being MLSA, application process. What do you once you become an MLSA, stage of MLSA and its benefits. Let's go to the next part. What is the MLSA? The Microsoft Learn Ambassador platform for students to learn and lead, make difference while they empower their communities. As a MLSA, you can help others build coding skills, organize the event like a virtual hackathons, earn certificates, and build the digital communities. The opportunities are vast, flexible, depending on your interest and skills. Next part, the benefits of being MLSA. As I said, the student ambassador having a three several stages. First one, alpha ambassador. Second, beta and gold. In the every stages, you will gain the so many benefits like free Microsoft certificate exams, softwares like Office 365, TechSmith Tools, Visual Studio Enterprise, and $150 monthly access to this, exclusive sweat t-shirt, backpacks, and more. But that is not all. You will get networking opportunities with professional like a Microsoft MVPs. You will support for the hosting event for the beta and gold MLSs, funded travel, and milestone pages are additional perks. This image of the beta gold sweat free. Now we are talking about the application process of being MLSA. The eligibility is the program is open to students aged 16 and up from the approved university who have interested about the technologies and community service. Now, the application process. Some steps you must follow when you decided to the being a MLC. Go to the steps is go to the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website. This is the interface of the Microsoft website. Once you go to this website, you click the best link of the Microsoft. Now click the Get Started button. Once you enter the page, uh, complete your registration. In this case, I already registered. That's why I get to see this interface. If you new to this website, you will get the registration. Once you register, you can see this interface. That's all. Once you register, you can start engaging with the community through the different activities. These are the activities is shown. Yes. Now, now, when you register, what will happen? After registration, you will invited to join the Microsoft Student Developer Community on Discord. This is a image of my email that's got the invitation for the Discord. You can see join the Microsoft Student Developer Community on Discord. Once you successfully receive, or sorry, once you successfully register, you will get this email. And after that, here you will select the program path, complete the training activities like cloud skills challenges. Those who meet the requirements are officially inducted currently, gaining the different certificates access to the Microsoft tools much more. This is the interface of the Discord. There's you can see the technical training, student interested becoming a student ambassador that I have received in my case. Now we are discussed about that. Why we joined the MLSA. So why should we consider joining? You gain the free access to premium Microsoft tools, exclusive learning resources to sharpen your skills, opportunities to connect with the MLSAs worldwide, and career opportunity, development opportunities, including internship and jobs with the Microsoft partners. Yes, if you are looking for the internship opportunities like in technology, you can use it as a potential if you make MLC student ambassador. Additionally, you will have the chance to organize the tech events with the support from the Microsoft. Now, milestones. Yes. As you progress, you will achieve the various milestones such as the beta and gold status. Each stage brings more recognition, benefits, and opportunities for the professional growth. As well as said, there is a three kind of milestones: alpha, beta, and gold. In this, every stages, you will get us more benefits of from it. If you interested, now that you know the benefits and process, you ready to be for your MSA journey. Head over the registration page. These are the links. I now I will give a demonstration about the how to register in the MLC. You click the link for once you enter the Microsoft website, you can see this interface after your registration, and you will get the next button. Now you can pick the privacy and terms, should and you agree with the family, and next page, click the next page. This is the registration form, personal information, and your first name, your personal information is provided. Example, Carefully fill your personal information for the registration, giving some information to my account and your preferred language. Select your preferred languages like a C plus C sharp. Where any language you can select it. In my case, I selected my languages and next online at the social network. Uh, if you have LinkedIn account, you can add it. In my case, I access the registration progress. Now you can see the registration progress, registration notification, privacy security, personal information, online influence network, in academic institutes. You, in this interface, you can enter your academic uh, institutional details in select your program, your degree program, your field, and your level, master, bachelor, or PhD, and enter the graduation. Okay. Once you fill the form, next page. Now the additional information. Uh, which of following technologies interest you? You can enter your interested technologies like DevOps, data science, gaming, Internet of Things, IoT, mixed reality, open source, if anything you are interested. What is the state learning code registration required the Microsoft Word install? If you will not create this one. If you have account, you can do it, or you want to create the new account. There is you can from the sign in and choose your account and finish. In my case, I choose my account. It's my Gmail and I can use it. Each name you must be give the name, display name is very important and select your country region. This is your profile. Now you can see the my details. This is our dashboard, learning profile. Now you can enter your name and click the next button. Now we are the completed the whole registration process. Now submit the form. Once you submit it, it will ask uh, you will not able to update the registration. When for that you should be able to tendency sharing and hit the submit button. This will take more times. Now we are good. Now you can say, check the registration details. Is my registration details, student ambassador, and the review. After that, once your review is checked, you will get this email. Join the Microsoft Student Developer Community on Discord, and in Discord you will select the path. Now you as well say You will get the Discord link to join the community. This my Discord, and these are the three parts: technical training. Once you register, it will give from the Microsoft. This this is the roadmap. The roadmap to how to become a Microsoft Learn Student ambassador. Now we going through the roadmap. Register to become an ambassador. That's what we have listed in now. If you once registers to become ambassador, a student ambassador.com, join the Microsoft Developer Community servers index. As well as say, if you once finish your registration, you will get the Microsoft Student Developer Community server in Discord. In server, go to start care and follow the same steps to connect your GitHub account, source the all channels. In the server, you unlock the channels, follow the steps, see more the role and unlock the channels. Read the join the technical training registration email address. Receive once you uh, sorry, technical training using the registration email address. And after that, you will receive the contributor ID and handbook access 3 to 5 days after registration. Yes, if when you register in 3 to 5 days, you will get the contributor ID and handbook access. Choose your and after that, choose your program path and begin your path activities using your contributor ID. Hence, as once you receive your contributor ID, you can select your program path and activities. Complete the technical part and activities as required. Yes. If you selected the contributor, if you select a programming part, you must complete the technical part activities as required from the MLSA. This will be your invest. Once you and if you finish the technical part, you will receive the invitation to join the student ambassador program, uh, as well as receive the official title. If you finish everything, you will receive the official title, certificate, and benefits to be student ambassador. Yeah, in the technical training, and okay, the, this is the interface. You must complete this training, technical training, student ambassador technical training. There is a 5 mile. If you receive, you can start this technical training. There is a 5 milestone to be completed as required. You need the start and agree. Complete. As well said, there is a 5 milestone in this plan. First milestone, Microsoft Azure fundamentals describe the core concepts. There's several modules to you can build this interface. Milestone 2, Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals, AI overview. And milestone 3, Microsoft for startups, building an early startups. Fourth one is Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals, generative AI. Milestone 5, Microsoft for startups, transform your business with the Microsoft AI. This is I said the contributor ID is here. if you got the ID, contributor ID, you will receive this email. Your students who registered the student ambassador program are contributors ID to use completing required path activities. Once you receive the contributor ID, then you can start your path and three path registration. These are the three paths: technical training, community build path, and startup advocate path. Community builder path want to grow their leadership skill by fostering student learning plans featuring learning training. Uh, this is the contributor ID, that means my ID. These are the learning plans. You can see the Azure fundamentals, Azure fundamentals, and Azure data fundamentals, MSFP Power Platform fundamentals, MSFP security, compliance, and identification fundamentals, and Copilot for MSFP 365. Yes, yes, formula for the MSFP 365. Startup advocate part is, wait a minute, now we to the, now you can see the influencer activity totals. Yeah, is must to you get the 250 views for the your certification. Wait a minute. It's a master student page. You can see the student ambassador. When you successfully selected, you can see this your profile in this page. These are some student ambassadors. You can select by the filters, and if you can select to your country and languages, milestones, and programs. And now I show you my ID. Select the field and points listen. Now you can see my profile. This is my MLSA. Now you can see my profile. Student ambassadors details. If you uh, selected, you can. If you selected, then only you can see this on the page. If you are interested, you can visit the this link, go the link, and you can fulfill your registration progress, and you will continue your path. Then you can be a member of MLSA. And thank you so much for the attending this session. Thank you. There's any questions you will put it in the common works, the person answers. Uh, is one command. Is there any interview process or selection criteria? No, there's no interviews, only it's the application process. Yeah. They will check your studies activities. They are only focused on the studies activities on your learning qualification. Yeah, you can use the any email or your personal or university email account. You can use it. There's any more questions? If you have any questions, you can drop the message on the message box. I will reply to it. I will give it to them. This is the link. I will give it to the comment box. Please check your message. I will send it. Wait, I'm wait. Can you hear me? That's link is on the chat box. You can check the link in the chat box. If you have any questions, you ask me in chat box. I will reply. I will send it.
Excuse me, sir, I didn't get the link.
Check your chat box. I will send it. Please check the chat box. I put it on the chat box. You can see. It drop for a helping purpose. I will show the handbook of the MLSA. Here. This is the student master handbook. You can see the program on body. There are so many details about this program. Depends in my student program requirements like from the details. You can see through the handbooks. You can apply every day. Yeah, you can apply it. Okay? There is no the procedure for the registration process. I will send the email and link it premium when the winner for the winners for this session. Only for the 10 pupils in this meeting. Yeah.
Oh, tinanggalan.
You got this student, sorry, if you got the under review status on your profile, this means you are not selected to the MLSA. There is any lack of your information in the registration for details. Yes, if you have a verification problem on the your application, message to the wait a minute.
Hello.
You can see the if you have any problem with the verification, you can message to the SA coordinator. If they will check your applications and provide the status about your application.